So what we did originally with Queen Square and formulated all the resources and set all that up in places, created the IMDF, went through the whole process of correlating, and then everything all just went in, and then I was following the same process to try and add some new desks in. I got to this point in the process where initialized places wasn't working. It was generating these errors. So I thought, I'm going to do this manually. I'll just do set place on each thing. Same error, and no idea what it's talking about. So I did a Google, not a thing. So this is like brand new. No zero hits. They were like random articles on completely random subjects, but nothing on this. So this is like unknown. I thought maybe it's something I'm doing, but then I went back to the documentation, and their page on places says now within places, all desks and workspaces must be parented to a section. So behind the scenes, obviously what we did originally, Microsoft made this change. They must have backtracked and updated everything that was already in place so it didn't break. But from then on, everything you do needs to have this section. So there's no other information on what a section is. I could imagine it's like zones or neighborhoods.
Yeah,
that would work. So at very least you've got to have one section. Now you've got to create a building. Under that you have floors which are parented to the building. Then you have at least one section.
I just wonder whether they've hit a few issues like very large floor plans, and that includes performance. So if you've got 200 desks or more in one area, how long does it take to retrieve the free busy status and display that? But one thing I've noticed that Places tends to do is, say you want a desk, it just offers up the first few that are free, but it might mean you're kind of gravitating to one section, and that may be a reason for, again, introducing the concept of sections. So you've got more granularity in your hunting around for desks if you're wanting to work in a particular neighborhood or wing of your floor. So it kind of makes sense that they're doing that.